What is going on, guys? It's Levi here with Sue Automotive, and today we are going to be changing the belt of a 2013 GLK 350. That is Mercedes Benz. All you're going to need is a 17mm socket and a half-inch, or I guess you could use a 3/8. Half-inch is a little bit better. And there's going to be a little, almost like a nut on the actual tensioner itself. And you're going to take your 3/8 drive ratchet or half-inch drive ratchet, in which case I'm using a half-inch. And you're going to want to get as much leverage as possible out of it. Set this right here. And you're going to pull. Matter of fact, let me get this right here is a piece of metal. You can use an Allen wrench as well if you need to, but essentially there's a tiny hole that this will slip into, and it'll lock that tensioner in place. That way you don't have to worry about it struggling to put the belt on later. Let me go ahead and set this down and get it knocked out. There we go. Once it's locked in place, you will have a lot of slack right here in your belt. You can see a lot of slack. You just pull it off. And you just finagle it out of there. What I personally like to do is I like to stretch both belts and make sure that they are the same length. Last thing you want to do is put the improper belt on and not know it till it's too late. Now it's time to route the belt. Now the way this belt is routed, it is routed, I'll start from left to right and top to bottom. So it is routed from the alternator to the water pump.
Turned it on in my car. I don't know exactly what was wrong, but it can be good.
Oh, that's a pulley, dude. Or belt?
Both belts are there.
That's weird. It runs fine?
Huh?
It runs fine?
No.
Oh.
Overheating.
Oh.
No power steering. Battery light on. As if there was no belt.
Sounds like a belt. Or a pulley. Alright guys, so like I said, we go alternator, to the idler pulley. I'm sorry, alternates to the idler pulley. From the idler pulley, it goes to the secondary idler pulley right here, and then from there, it goes around the AC compressor. From the AC compressor, it then goes around the crankshaft. After the crankshaft, it goes around the belt tensioner. After the belt tensioner, it goes around the water pump, and then after the water pump, it goes back to the alternator, and that's it. And then it's in, and then all you have to do is just release tension from the tensioner itself by removing the pin. Just remove the pin, and there you have it. All done. So that is how to replace the belt of the Mercedes Benz 2013 GLK 350. Talk to you guys later.